Okay, everyone. So what we're going to do today is show you how to set up a Skype account and also place a call through Skype. So if you already have a Skype account, you can obviously just log into it. You probably know how to use it if you don't have a Skype account, or if you just want to go through the motions of the exercise, then you can go ahead and follow along with the class. So as mentioned throughout the book, there are a few different ways to get to various sites on the internet. You could go through Internet Explorer, Firefox, or today I'm going to use Google Chrome. So double click on that. What's good about some of these browsers is if you type www.sky, Skype is going to come up, and I just go ahead and I hit enter. Now, what we want to do is actually create a Skype account. So you can join here or click here on join us. A few different ways. You can sign in with your Microsoft account or your Facebook account, but I'm actually just going to set up. I have going to put Professor Wilson on there as first and last name. Email address, since I have so many, which one am I going to use? I'm going to use wilsonda@lasc.edu. I'm going to, probably should put a period there instead of a comma. But repeat the email, wilsonda@lasc.edu. And in most instances, they're going to ask you to repeat passwords, repeat email addresses just for verification in case you make a fat finger error. And we do make those quite often. It's not my birthday, so no need to send me a birthday card on that date. I'm going to say 1978, January 1st. I'm going to say male, United States, city. We'll roll with Cerritos. Language is going to be English. Not putting down my mobile number because I don't want a bunch of calls from this. How do you intend to use Skype? I'm going to use personal conversations because if I click business, it's going to ask me a couple questions that I don't want to answer. And I go ahead and click here on personal conversations. Skype name, they're going to give me some suggestions. Professor Wilson 2 right there. Then my password, I'm going to go ahead and enter that. Enter it twice for verification. Go down here and it's going to send you some squiggly lines and letters that you have to decipher to make sure that you are not a computer system trying to hack your computer. I think I got that one right. And you put that information in, scroll down a little bit more, and we're not going to read the terms in use. All of us pretend like we read them, but we just click agree and continue. A lot of them, they could say that we're going to pay them $1,000 a month and they could get us because a lot of us don't actually read those terms of use. Click I agree and continue. So here we go. I have a repeat email address because I used this once before. So what I'm going to do now is, let's see if my Cerritos email address will work. I'm under dawilson@lasc.edu. And that may be a repeat email address as well. But we shall find out soon. lasc.edu. Scroll back down the bottom, try it again. I agree and continue. Hopefully, roll a dice. I didn't use this one before on the tutorial. Oh, and there we go. So it says, "Hi, Professor. Your Skype account is ready. Now you want to download Skype. It's quick and easy. I like really easy instructions such as this. You click the button that says download Skype for Windows because I am on a Windows computer. Okay, so now it says, thanks for downloading Skype. Our quick setup guide will help you get started. And you see how it's highlighted in blue, so I'll just click on that setup guide. And it says, and I really like how user-friendly it is, save the Skype setup application to your computer. And then step 2 is find and double-click the Skype setup file and then follow simple instructions and then launch the actual application. So you see it right here in this corner. It's right there. So I can open it. It says save the setup application to your computer. So open it up. I'm just going to go ahead and run it. I agree. I continue. Make Bing my search engine. I don't think so. Make MSN my homepage. No way. Continue. Just a moment. We're improving your Skype experience. I'm sure you are. So in this instance, let's say this happens updating Skype. We're having problems connecting to the download server. Download alternative installer for Skype. Click the download button right there. So if things don't go down what they call the happy trail, here we go with our option number 2. Let's go ahead and download. So start using your shiny new Skype. Go ahead and save the file. So more so going along alignment with these instructions right here. If you wonder where my information went to, it went right over here to 13 minutes remaining for the Skype full setup. So I went through that entire long process, but finally we have everything set up. Here's a Skype setup full exe. Double click on that and hit the run button as they indicate. Let's see how long it's going to take. So I agree. Click to call. Maybe click numbers. So always read Skype icon. So yes, I would like to click the call. And back to this again. No, I don't want those to be my defaults. And then it should go through and update and improve our Skype experience. So the Skype box pops up. Skype name. Nothing's in the drop down. See, I probably should have wrote it down. Professor Wilson 2, I believe it was. And sign me in when Skype starts. Let's see if I got the password right, as well as the Skype name. Oh, didn't recognize your sign-in details. Please check your Skype name and password. Okay, so I can remember my password. Put that in, hit the sign-in button. You should hear a shoom come in, and there you go. All right. So now you're here. It says look for Skype contacts in your address book, then send an instant message, or make a free video call just to say hi. So you have all these options right here. So call mobile and landlines from the dial pad. So for instance, I'm gonna click here, and it's the last thing that we'll do here on Skype. So now you're at this screen, so you can do a variety of things. So just go ahead and play around with it. You see that you can drag your contacts in. You see that you can add someone. If you see the phone there, you can go ahead and enter a number, but be warned that if you enter a number, you have to pay as you go rate for 1.9 cents per for a minute. Then you can buy Skype credit, or you could pay monthly. But we're not going to incur any charges in this class. Definitely not going to do that. But what I will do is request that when you guys get to this point, and it'll be in your assignment, that you take a snippet picture and just basically copy that, put it on a Word document or any other type of document, and upload that to your Dropbox, and that will be one of your assignments. But I'll detail that in the assignments for this week.